Okay, so driving for dollars. This is how you're gonna get your first deal. Okay, you gotta follow these instructions. They're very simple, but it's not easy. Okay, that's what wholesaling is, in my opinion. Very simple, but it's not easy. And once you start, you'll figure it out. Okay, so what I want you to do first is drive around an area of your city that you know has a lot of abandoned houses or fixer upper and get 200 addresses. Okay, that's what I want you to do first. This might take you a weekend, it might take you 2 weekends, but what you're gonna look for is fixer-upper properties. So you might be asking me, well, JR, how do I know what to look for? Well, there's signs. You can tell when a house is vacant, right? You know, it's just common sense. Look for signs like boarded up windows, boarded up doors, long grass, broken windows, messed up roofs, trim falling off the house, mailboxes full of mail, broken garage doors, signs that the house needs attention. That's kind of what you're looking for. So get 200 of those addresses and write them down on a piece of paper in your notes. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all these on a spreadsheet. Now, once we have all the addresses on a spreadsheet, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to your appraisal district website. So in San Antonio, mine is Bexar County Appraisal District, right? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna type in the address in the appraisal district and you're gonna find all the information of the owner. You're gonna find his first name, his last name, and then you're gonna find his mailing address. We're gonna put all this onto a spreadsheet and then we're gonna look into skip tracing it. Skip tracing is a service provided online where you can submit your spreadsheet. You could pay about 15 cents per address and they're gonna send you back all the information on the owner. You're gonna get a few phone numbers, you're gonna get emails, you're gonna get relatives' phone numbers. Different skip tracing services will provide different information. So now you're gonna have a gold mine of 200 vacant addresses with all the owner's information. And then the next step is probably the one that I see where most people stop because they're scared of the phones, and you cannot be scared of the phones. Now that you're a part of my course, I'm gonna give you a script that you can use to talk to these sellers and ask them if they're willing to sell their house. So this is how you start to generate leads. And mind you, you haven't spent that much money. You got 200 addresses, maybe a full tank of gas, if that, and you're paying about 15 cents an address. So that's only about, what, close to $30, right? $30 that you just paid, maybe plus some gas, to start generating leads. And it's gonna be the best leads because nobody else can buy this list. This is your list that you went out and you got on your own. So guys, now you're ready to talk to sellers.